Jason is back with our full check of the forecast. And Jason, we have some rain coming our way this weekend.
Yes, and it's going to warm up too, which is not a bad thing, really, all things considered, although it will be happening on New Year's Eve. So kind of pick your poison there. Light snow up north again today. Sun and clouds as we warm things up into the next few days. But really want to get in on the snow ban, which it just seems like it hasn't stopped since yesterday. It's because of that warm front that moved in. Now here is the snow up northern Maine and down east, where you see that especially over Washington County. And there's some darker blues popping up here that are east of Lincoln and basically up right around Route 1. So heavier snow here. This is not going to be an all-day thing, but definitely get into some snow moving into eastern Maine now. Also, Lincoln just cleared out of the snow up towards Sherman on 95 and in the county back towards the Allagash. So be aware, and you're going to need extra time to get through that snow, but nothing terribly heavy. Now, temperatures are currently in the 20s widespread. It's cold enough to snow, cold enough to have, yes, the winter coat. And here's that warm front I mentioned a few seconds ago. That's been the focus, basically, mechanism for the snow, where we have that lift in the atmosphere. High pressure to our south. This is the key going forward. That high is going to spin up warm air from the south and west. We'll do it hour by hour through your Thursday morning. Still snowing up in Caribou today throughout the morning time. Another band comes through. So what's going to happen is down east gets the snow early, and then it moves up north in the county, and it's going to persist for a while. South of that, sun breaking out in Portland, Sanford, Portsmouth. Not a bad sunset. Looks really good. And then some clouds roll in back tonight. So here's how much snow you can expect. About 4 inches or so up in the county. South of that, not as much. I will say this model is not doing a great job with down east in Washington County. So there definitely could fill in here. I'd definitely like the model more if it did that. Regardless, let's jump ahead into Saturday. Everyone cares about New Year's Eve, traveling, celebrating outdoors. Here comes the rain holding off until about 6 o'clock in Lewiston, and then it pushes through. So it will be raining in Maine, all of Maine, for New Year's Eve after the sun goes down pretty much. And raining all night long into Sunday morning. Non-stop rain happening here. And then a little bit of light snow on the backside by 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday. So this is a washout for New Year's Eve, late into New Year's Day. Seas building 2 to 3 feet today. And how about the forecast inland? 38, 43 with snow north, cloudy elsewhere. Friday is mostly cloudy, and then here's that rain Saturday into Sunday. It's just a rainy day. It's going to call it what it is, but it will be quite warm, especially for an overnight low of 40. No ice. 40 on Monday, mostly sunny. That looks great. And then here's more rain and another jump in temps back to maybe even 57. And what about the coast? 40, 44, and then 51, 48. So rain late Saturday, early Sunday. Sun comes out Monday, and we don't really cool off that much. 42 with rain again into Wednesday and a run for 56. So the deeper we get into January, more in the way of warm air coming and more rain. A pattern, Hannah, that, well, yeah. I mean, a break from the heating bill, might as well.
But a little bit unusual for this time of year.
Yes, quite unusual.
Thank you, Jason.